Welcome! If you're looking to clean up your Instagram Reels and want to delete them by date using the latest Instagram update on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to get this done quickly and efficiently. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your content. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu there. Click on it to open up more options. Next, from the menu, find and select the section called Your Activity. This is where Instagram keeps track of everything you do on the platform. Inside Your Activity, look for the Photos and Videos section. Click on it and you'll see all your media organized for easy access. Now, click on Reels. This will display all the Reels you've posted on your account. To delete Reels by a specific date, you'll need to use the new sorting feature. At the top right, find and click on Sort and Filter. Here, you can choose the exact date or date range you want to filter your Reels by. Select your preferred date, then click Apply. Once your Reels are filtered by the date you chose, click on Select. This allows you to pick multiple Reels at once. Go ahead and select all the Reels you want to delete. After you've made your selection, look for the Delete option and click on it. Instagram will ask you to confirm your decision. This is just to make sure you really want to delete these Reels, as this action can't be undone. Click Confirm, and you're done. The selected Reels will be permanently removed from your account. And that's it. You've just learned how to delete your Instagram Reels by date on the PC app using the latest update. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks for managing your social media. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.